Enabling the dynamic checkout button on product pages in Shopify enhances the shopping experience by allowing customers to check out quickly with various payment methods. Here's how to enable it. Log into your Shopify admin. Open the Shopify website and sign into your admin panel using your credentials. Go to Online Store. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Online Store to expand the menu. Select Themes. Click on Themes to view your current theme and options for customization. Customize your theme. Find your active theme and click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. Navigate to Product Pages. In the theme editor, look for the section that allows you to customize product pages. This is usually listed in the left sidebar. Enable Dynamic Checkout. Look for an option labeled Dynamic Checkout button or similar wording. Toggle the switch to enable the button on product pages. Save your changes. After enabling the Dynamic Checkout button, click the Save button at the top right corner of the editor to apply the changes. Test the feature. Visit your store's product pages to ensure the Dynamic Checkout button is visible and functioning properly.